Apple Resources Private Limited.
Welcome students to an enriching learning journey ahead with Wood Apple Resources. Class 2 Maths. I am your teacher Disha. Here are your friends.
I am Gopi.
I'm Abhi.
Dear students, today I am going to teach you Chapter 5, Sharing and Caring, Division. Once upon a time, in a quiet jungle, two dog friends, Jack and Max, set out on an adventure and roamed in the jungle. Then after some time, Jack feels hungry. Let us see what happens then.
Max, find something to eat. I am feeling hungry.
Meanwhile, they got 6 chapatis and saw a dog named Cherry who was crying. They decided to ask the reason.
Why are you crying?
I am ill and I have not eaten anything for the last 3 days.
See, I have 6 chapatis. Come, we will share and eat together.
Whoopi, can you tell me, if 6 chapatis were divided into 3 dogs, then how many chapatis each dog would get?
Each dog will get 6 divided by 3 equals 2 chapatis.
Students Jack and Max learned that helping others even when you are hungry can make a world of difference. Division as equal sharing. Students, let us explore the concept of division as equal sharing. Have you ever wondered how to share things equally among a group? Well, today we will learn how to do it. Let us learn it with an example. Imagine a boy named Whoopi has 8 balloons and wants to share them equally among 4 friends. How many balloons will each friend get? To find out how many balloons each friend will get, let us share the balloons with the 4 friends. Step 1. He starts sharing 1 balloon with each, then he observes that he still has 4 balloons. Step 2. He distributes 1 more balloon to his 4 friends. Step 3. Now Whoopi has no balloons with him, which means he shared all 8 balloons with his friends. Each friend of Whoopi will get 2 balloons. Thus, 8 divided by 4 equals 2. तो बच्चों, आपने देखा जब भी हम इक्वल शेयरिंग करते हैं तो हमें सिर्फ नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप्स ही नहीं बल्कि उन ग्रुप्स में कितने आइटम्स डिवाइड हुए हैं को भी जान पाते हैं। और याद रखो बच्चों, इक्वल शेयरिंग से हम ऑनेस्टली शेयर करना भी सीखते हैं।
Division as repeated subtraction. Abhi, do you know the use of repeated subtraction?
Yes, repeated subtraction is used to divide things equally into groups. Let us learn it with an example. Example: Nikita has 20 pieces of bread. She has to distribute these among 5 dogs. How many pieces of bread will she give to each dog? To know how many pieces of bread she will give to each dog, we use the method of repeated subtraction. Following are the steps. Step 1. She gives each dog a piece of bread. It means each dog will get 1 piece of bread. Now subtract 5 from 20 to know the remaining pieces. So 20 minus 5 equals 15. Now she has 15 pieces of bread. Step 2. Again, distribute 1 piece to each dog, which means 15 minus 5 equals 10. Still, she has 10 pieces of bread. Step 3. She will repeat the distribution for each dog. Now 10 minus 5 equals 5. At last, she has 5 pieces of bread. Step 4. She distributes the last 5 pieces of bread to all 5 dogs, and now she has 0 pieces of bread with her. Step 5. Let us count the steps of subtraction to know how many pieces of bread each dog gets. This goes 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. And each dog gets 4 pieces of bread. Thus, 20 divided by 5 equals 4. तो देखा बच्चों, कैसे रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन से निकिता ने 5 डॉग्स को 4 ब्रेड्स शेयर किए.
Thank you, Appy.
Division on number line. Whoopi, can we solve division on the number line?
Yes.
But how?
Let us learn the division on number line with the following example. Example: 12 divided by 3. We will explore how to divide 12 by 3 using this visual tool, which is a number line. Step 1. To begin, draw a horizontal line. Mark it from 0 to 20, dividing by equal parts. Start at 12 and jump 3 steps backwards until you reach 0. Step 2. Divide 12 by 3. This means we are looking for 4 equal parts. As we know, 3 fours are 12. So let us divide 12 into 4 equal parts. Step 3. We will start at 12 and move 3 steps backwards to reach 9. Step 4. Then make a second curve from 9 with 3 steps backwards and reach 6. Continue with the curve 3 steps backwards from 6 to 3 and then 3 to 0. Step 5. Let us count the number of curves from right side. 1, 2, 3 and 4 curves. They are 4. It means 12 divided by 3 equals 4. जिस नंबर को डिवाइड किया जाता है उसे डिविडेंड कहा जाता है. यहाँ 12 डिविडेंड है और जिस नंबर से डिवाइड किया जाता है उसे डिवाइजर कहते हैं. यहाँ नंबर 3 डिवाइजर है. नंबर को डिवाइड करने पर जितनी बार हम उस नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं उसे कोशेंट कहते हैं. इस साइन को डिवीजन साइन कहते हैं. Remember students, the number 9 can be a helpful visual tool for understanding mathematical concepts.
It was amazing.
Properties of division. Students, let us learn the properties of division. Division by 1. If a number is divided by 1, the quotient will be the number itself. Example: 6 divided by 1 equals 6. Students, have you observed that when we divided 6 by 1, the quotient was 6? As we know, each number can be divided by 1. Similarly, 56 divided by 1 equals 56. Division by number itself. If a number is divided by itself, the quotient will be 1. Example: 12 divided by 12 equals 1. Students, here, when we divided 12 by 12, the quotient is 1. As we know, 12 ones are 12. Similarly, 8 divided by 8 equals 1. Division by 0. If a 0 is divided by any number, the quotient will always be 0. Example: 0 divided by 8 equals 0. Students, see the example. When 13 is divided by 0, we get the quotient 0. Remember, division by 0 is not possible. Similarly, 0 divided by 21 equals 0. तो बच्चों, डिवीजन में जब किसी नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो वही नंबर क्वोशंट होता है, पर जब किसी भी नंबर को उसी नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो 1 क्वोशंट होता है. और आपने एग्जाम्पल से समझा कि 0 को किसी भी नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो क्वोशंट 0 होता है, मीन्स इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. I hope you all have understood the properties of division. Long division method.
Whoopi, what is the long division method?
Long division is the method that helps us divide larger numbers into smaller groups or parts. It helps to break down a problem into simple and easy steps. The long divisions have dividends, divisors, quotients, and remainders.
Let us learn the long division method with the following example. Example: a farm has 24 cows. If they keep 4 cows in one shed, how many sheds are required for 24 cows? To know the number of sheds, we must divide 24 by 4. Here 24 is a dividend and 4 is a divisor. Step 1. Write the dividend 24 and divisor 4 in the division format. Step 2. To divide 24 by 4, speak the table of 4 until we get the number 24. Step 3. As we know, 4 6s are 24, write 24 below the 24 and subtract. We will get 0 as a remainder and 6 as a quotient. Thus, 6 sheds are required for 24 cows. मतलब 24 cows के लिए 6 sheds चाहिए. Thank you, Whoopi. Now I understand the method of long division.
Students, in this chapter, you have learned about division as equal sharing, division as repeated subtraction, division on number line, properties of division, and situational problem. Thank you for joining us. Keep learning and exploring with Wood Apple resources.